Today, gagawa tayo ng JJIMDAK, and we have a very big surprise. I have a very special guest to help me make this wonderful JJIMDAK with. It's no other than KRING!
Hey! Hey ka muna, hey. There you go. Hi everyone, hello. This is KRING Kim and I'm so happy to be with Arya today cooking JJIMDAK.
I hope you know JJIMDAK, right?
Yes.
This is, I think, one of the mostly parang friendly dish sa mga Filipinos.
Correct. So when she was asking me, anong lutuin namin, sabi ko, hanjong shake, ganyan, madami. Kasi taga-chola siya eh, di ba?
Yeah, chola. Actually, di ba chola, I think not many Filipinos know the difference. But
Yes,
chola is a province where all the pretty ladies
Oh, wow!
who cook well come from.
Yes. They have the best food. Like, they're
That's
the
true.
food capital of Korea, basically. That's what I heard. And
Yeah,
that's what I know.
that's true.
That's why I was so excited when she invited me to come and cook with her. Because I'm like, oh, such an honor from a Jola girl.
Yeah, and she actually requested ang dami ng mga ni-request na
That's what I
recipes. But I said, no, we're gonna do JJIMDAK.
Yes.
So, are you ready to
Very
make
much
JJIMDAK?
ready. Very much ready.
To subscribe and like. So this one is super easy, and all the ingredients are from like locally sourced,
Yes.
but the taste of Korea. So
Okay.
first, I'm gonna introduce you the ingredients. This is actually chicken, adobo cut. Actually, if you like fillets, pwede rin. Pero mas maganda talaga may skin.
Yeah.
The oil later on that comes from the skin really reaches up the flavor. So this is adobo cut chicken, and of course we all have onions, carrots, potatoes. Most of these ingredients are this is a fixed ingredient when it comes to Korean cuisines.
Correct.
And of course the favorites of the Koreans, the leeks, the green onions.
Yes. Meron na rin naman tayo sa Pilipinas na no, kayong ano. Meron sa palengke yan.
Syempre. And then for the sauce, we'll have just sugar, oyster sauce, a little bit of vinegar. This is peperoncino. Do you know peperoncino?
No.
This is for pasta, you know, yung mga dried seaweed.
Okay.
So when you want like vongole, mga oil.
So what if we don't have this? What's
If
the
you don't have
alternative?
this, you can actually use the sili labuyo.
Okay.
Pepper, garlic, ginger, that's it. And then soy sauce, super easy, di
Oh
ba?
yeah, in fairness
Oh,
Ang
that's-
title nito.
This is actually my secret ingredient. I was
Okay,
gonna show.
mamaya.
Pero we can actually show
No.
na. Do you know Jjajang?
Ako, I know. I don't know if the viewers know.
Jjajang is basically like black bean
sauce.
A powder. But you can actually get this one in a lot of the Korean groceries.
I didn't know that.
Oh.
Na parang available siya sa Korean grocery. Kasi I never cooked with jjajang. So,
And then the tangmyeon or the vermicelli noodles.
ano
yeah.
siya in Filipino? Sotanghon-ish.
Mataba.
Matabang sotanghon.
First of all, yung tangmyeon, the sotanghon, can you make babad the water? Can you make
Okay.
bubos the water?
Sige.
Para kasi hindi siya matagal maluto. Just pour all the water there.
Ito lang po talaga ang ambag ko dito, maglagay ng tubig sa sotanghon. All the water?
Yeah, all the
Okay.
water. So just make babad there para lumambot siya.
Okay.
And then, before we cut these ingredients, I'm gonna first put on the caldero. And then what you have to do is put all the chicken on.
Lakas mo kayaman caldero? Ang lakas mo kayaman nun.
Oh, sige. Now, so we're gonna put the chicken on, skin on, no oil.
Ha?
Kasi lalabas mo talaga yung oil niya from the skin.
Pero kasi naman, anong tawag nito? Non-stick ka.
But actually, if you're using any calderos na kahit hindi siya non-stick, if it has chicken, just make the caldero super, super hot and then let the oil come out.
It's super masarap.
The thing with JJIMDAK, guys, foolproof to. Lahat ng dinadala kong Pinoy sa Korea, kung may chance makakain ng JJIMDAK, pinapakain talaga.
Parang adobo but Korean version.
Parang siyang adobo na afritada na hindi mo ma-explain. Basta ganyan.
Almost you're halfway done now with your JJIMDAK.
Ay, grabe siya. At magbabalik po tayo ngayon. Wow. Even their, knives pangimayaman. Matalim. Oh, wait. Sa tanong ng mga Pinoy, ask ng mga Pinoy, ginagamit ba tong leaf?
Yeah.
Nilalagay din tong leaf? Okay, sige.
The cool thing, actually, nga the Koreans, they even use the roots.
Huh?
You know this one, the root part?
Oh.
We actually use this for all the broth. So, especially for green onions, nothing to throw. I think they cannot live without leeks. And then you're gonna cut onions.
Right.
Now, actually for this amount, 2 to 3 onions is fine.
Okay.
Just wag ka lang umiyak. I think one of the culture shock that a lot of the Koreans have with Pinoys and Pinoys have with Koreans is that when we eat food, we don't really eat like with rice.
Not all the time.
Not all the time.
Yes.
So like for JJIMDAK, actually for Koreans, it's a ulam.
Yes.
But we eat the chicken first.
Yeah, right.
And then we eat the rice
Correct,
after.
correct.
Which is such a, well, for
It's a
me,
Korean thing.
it's a Korean thing. Even for like samgyeopsal, di ba?
Yes,
they
yes.
eat the samgyeopsal first and then mamaya yung rice. So it's a little odd.
So what's the purpose of us eating here in KFC in Korea? Walang purpose. Wala na rice, wala pang gravy. Anong kakainin namin dito?
Oh.
Manok lang?
Yeah.
Exactly. So it's like no,
Oh,
pass,
really?
hard pass.
Really? Wow.
But like for example with JJIMDAK and
Yeah.
dak kalbi, I learned na oh sige fine, manok muna and then later na yung rice. I kind of learned that.
And is it okay?
It's for me now.
So when you tell your Filipino friends,
It's not okay for them. Kailangan
Rice.
talaga may rice talaga.
Rice is
They
rice.
will see this as ulam.
Yeah.
I guess you're supposed to kind of mix it para lahat sila maluto. Tama ba?
yeah, but I guess, yeah, pwede rin. Pero if you just want the, like, one side to be charred first, and then pwede rin.
Okay, okay.
This is a very, parang super easy, no hands recipe. And
Okay.
then just leave it habang mag-char. We'll cut the potatoes and then the onions na rin. The potatoes and the carrots na rin. This has been all peeled. Now for the potatoes, we just have to cut it like parang hindi siya masyadong manipis, hindi masyadong mataba.
Okay. Yes, para siyang potato ng afritada, I guess.
Yeah, but di ba ang fritada is mataba?
Oh yeah, mataba. Oh.
Yes. For this one, well, you can, it's really up to you if you want it
Ah.
thick. Pero, kasi if it's too thick, magsa-starch siya when you cook it. And I just really want the, di ba this has starch?
Yeah.
So parang lalapot yung sauce. So I just want it like really this thin. Pero it's really up to you. I won't judge you with the way you cut it, ha?
Sana wag akong ma-judge dahil sa patatas. Yung di ba na-judge ko dahil sa patatas? Bakit?
Actually, I really met KRING because of K-pop shows.
Yes,
We've been
yes.
Working together.
I think the first one was Kim Son-ho. That was the
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, last year.
Last year,
Yeah,
yes.
last year. And then I met this very bright, bubbly,
Am
pink
I?
lady. Yes, you were, and very friendly. And that's how we got like,
Hindi plastic ako, guys. Charot.
And then I really like, like positive energy people.
I like it too. That's why we got along. That's why you are happy and I are the trifecta of
People don't really understand how happy we are behind the scenes because of happy.
yes. But we're actually even like behind the scenes we talk like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
You get stressed.
She was in my film, right? She
Oh,
was
yeah.
in my that was
Hey, yeah.
That was a different mode. I would like to believe, compared to other directors, I am a lot more, especially Korean directors, I'm a lot more fun.
Chill.
Not necessarily chill. I'm very intense. I'm very like, go! But I'm fun.
It was a fun shooting. I mean,
Yes.
I was just there for like the one
One day,
yeah,
one scene.
it's just like for a short period of time. But it was very nice, and then people were very friendly. So
Yes,
it was
yes.
stress-free zone.
It
I
was.
really appreciate how you were always. And it was sometimes like Mount Chief, I think I felt maybe more relaxed because I knew that it was you in control. So if ever, and then all the Filipino staff there. But if it's like a K-pop show or like a K, it's a little bit of a different mode because then there we have to follow instructions of the Korean.
Correct.
So it's a little bit of a different environment, but I still appreciate both.
Yes.
It's
And
good.
it's, to be honest, guys, working with Ara, Happy, and me, it's fun.
Stay tuned! It burns.
It does.
Pero for now, it doesn't, you're still gonna, what we're just trying to do is really to extract the oil from the skin and from the chicken. See? You see the brown like this? Yeah, this is what I want to have it
But
happen.
aren't you supposed to parang tanggal yung mga tubig-tubig sa ilalim?
No, it's actually the oil from the chicken.
Aren't you supposed to tanggal that? No? Keep it?
Yeah, keep it. Trust the process.
Okay.
And then just relax and then chill.
Okay.
And then we're done. Actually, I should not have hindi lang ko balat ng carrots and potatoes. Dapat I made you do it.
Okay.
Just the carrots naman, you can do it afritada size. Let's see how you cut your afritada.
Charot.
Yeah.
I don't
So,
even like really cut.
Do you like carrots?
I love carrots.
Oh, not many people like food.
Really?
Must try recipe. So now we've been boiling the chicken.
Yeah.
As you can see, parang nag-char na. So
Yes.
it's cooking in its own oil.
Oh,
You
like
see
it.
it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we're gonna add the peperoncino, yung sili. Now kung wala kayong peperoncino, it's also Italian, right?
Yes.
If you don't have it, you can actually replace it with sili labuyo.
Correct.
But if you don't like any spice at all, maybe you can just omit.
Oh yeah, you don't have to use it if you don't like spicy.
Yeah, so siguro around...
Ah! Okay.
Do you like spicy?
Sakto. I can. Yeah, okay.
Just around, siguro that was around 6 pieces.
Okay, okay.
Wait lang. No, I'm gonna take it out.
Bawas siguro mga 3 pieces lang.
Okay. You're so Filipino pala, no?
Oh, in that sense.
I forgot because, yeah, so, and then, can you, this is pepper, paprika, you can just like, sprinkle as much as you want.
So, hindi siya, parang, to taste. Basically, it depends on you.
And then,
Kasi madami, dapat madami paminta.
yeah. And then after that, you will let the chili cook the peperoncino. Parang ito-coat lang natin. Because you know, when the chili meets the oil, yung sili, it really brings out yung parang pinaka-full flavor. So, you will just first do like this, ha? So, can you put here 2 tablespoons of sugar? So, make it 3 para masarap.
3, so parang ngayon.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Generous amount of sugar. Yeah, 3.
Okay.
So it can be like, you know, brown sugar or whatsoever. And then we will just try to coat it para medyo mag-melt ng caramelize ng konti yung sugar. So, the sugar will parang function as a parang MSG na rin.
Yes,
because it really brings out the full flavor.
Correct, correct.
And then we're gonna add the soy sauce, the Korean. I have here is a Korean soy sauce, pero pwede na naman like any toyo at home.
Is this, when you say Korean, is this the manipis or the thick soy sauce?
This is the regular, the thin.
The thin, okay.
Yeah. I think the one you're talking about is for the soup.
Yes.
So this is the thicker then, thicker.
Thicker, okay, okay.
So put here 8.
8?
8 tablespoons. Pag nagkamali.
Matay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There you go.
That's why we say na it's kind of like adobo because it's soy sauce base.
Exactly.
Somewhat.
Soy toyo based talaga siya.
Oo.
And then I'm just gonna lang ha, parang coat the chicken lang ha.
Yes, yes.
This is a secret catch to it. Kasi normally the traditional JJIMDAK, we use the uncooked Jjajang. Jjajang is like a paste. Pero mahirap kasi gamitin yun, and then it's so sayang. So I'm just gonna use this Jjajang powder. As you can see, parang siya parang...
Gaano kadami?
Ubusin mo na kasi we're gonna add here
Ubusin
like
lahat to?
No, 2 tablespoons.
Okay, wait.
So
2 tablespoons, right?
Generous amount pa. Yeah. So this is Jjajang powder. It has a starch na, so it will help. Yeah.
2 tablespoons yun.
This is the fun of home cooking. The good thing about Jjajang, it's medyo matamis-tamis.
Yes.
And then medyo starch. So we're just gonna coat the chicken with it.
So parang yun ang parang, I guess, secret ingredient nitong JJIMDAK, yung Jjajang flavor.
Yes. And then we're gonna add the oyster sauce.
Lahat to?
Yes, please. No. 2 tablespoons. 1.
This is lahat nga.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons.
Okay. Can you tanggal? Yes, I love it.
Yeah. And then,
Ay, ang dami. Yeah.
And then the onion and the leeks. Yung kaya na-cut mo, you add as many as you want.
Okay. Everything.
Okay. Yeah. And then we're just gonna cook it now.
Are you supposed to add water? Para
Later.
lang,
Yeah.
later pa.
Pwede. Para lang what?
Para lang mas may sabaw?
Do you want it with sabaw?
No naman. It's a question.
Actually, we will add water kasi mamaya mag-add tayo ng vermicelli noodles.
Correct,
And then
correct.
when you start adding this, isisipit niya lahat.
Correct.
Pero for now, I just really want it dried para yung mga raw flavors of the vegetables. Iba kasi yung parang flavor na lumalabas when you directly mix the heat.
I see.
And then,
Tsaka may starch ka pa eh. May patatas pa eh.
and then we're gonna add ginger. Pero yung ginger siguro 1/2 lang. 1/2 spoon lang.
Siguro pwede ng ganyan.
Yeah. Konti lang just to add the kick of the garlic lang. This is chicken. Pero yung mga Korean food, mga Koreans, when they cook chicken, they're very sensitive with the lansa of the chicken, of the lansa of the chicken. The best way to remove this, that's why I really think Filipino food is so smart, yung adobo.
Yeah.
We're gonna add here 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
Oh.
Pero hindi siya magiging maasim because like it will actually evaporate.
Yes,
So
yes.
can you just add 1 tablespoon?
tablespoon. Okay, there.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Just gonna add just for colors. And then we can add the potatoes.
Madami ba? Ito lahat?
As many as you want.
Kaya hindi na talaga kailangan magkanin, guys, kasi ito na carbohydrates.
And it's not very salty. Diba? Kasi
Yes.
you only had like, yeah.
Yes.
And then can you add water?
Add water.
The water is siguro 1 liter, pero just ano lang,
Lahat to?
para na mababad lang yung chicken.
Oh,
Konti
okay.
lang. Enough, stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Just wait for the potatoes to be cooked, and then we're gonna add the vermicelli. Luto na siya.
Why you don't mix it
Oh,
anymore?
because we don't need to. We just want the natural heat lang to come. You can actually.
No,
I
but the
think,
potato is cooked.
yeah, maluluto na siya. Trust the process.
Oh, just the process. Ay.
Yeah, and then just cover it up. Kasi if you
Yeah, to
keep on
cover.
adding on the mixing the potatoes, kasi manipis, mag-break up. So,
I see. The noodles, we won't put it yet.
not yet, but we can add siguro when just like a boil, then we'll add the noodles, and then we're gonna serve it already.
But is it low fire?
Actually, dapat malakas. Yeah.
Malakas.
I
Okay, so,
never really like lowered it, just same fire. Stay tuned! Okay, so first, why we had it the potatoes na manipis? Para madali talaga siya maluto.
Ah.
But if you had your potatoes na makapal, yung nag-afritada normally
Right,
size na
right.
medyo makapal, you can just have to wait for your potatoes to be cooked.
right.
The reason why manipis para talaga siya mabilis maluto, and
Okay,
I don't
okay.
want the starchiness of it. Now, as most of the ingredients are cooked already,
Aha.
you will see naman talaga na luto yung potato if you see na medyo nagiging parang
Transparent.
Yeah.
Ah.
Wow, you're good cook ha.
Hey!
So now we're gonna add in our tangyan.
Whoa.
Thank you.
What did you want more?
You can add more.
Oh, you can add
Kaso
more.
nga lang, if you add too much of it, kasi isisip niya lahat ng mga sauce.
Ayun na nga eh.
Yeah, but I think it's really up to you, di ba? You want the sauce also to get into tangyan. So, but you can just cook one.
Put everything.
Yeah, but not just too much, kasi it will become like japchae.
Yes! Third day
So
once
maybe
more.
like 2 or 3 full times of this is fine. Oh, I do like this stuff.
I love it.
Oh, I should have added more.
No, it's fine. There's more there. But it's...
And then actually just after one boil, we're done with
Yeah.
our JJIMDAK.
Yes! Wow! You know what? To our Filipino viewers, and I think most of your viewers naman are Filipinos.
Yeah.
This is very perfect to learn. Why? You cannot find this anywhere in the Philippines. In Metro Manila, I don't know if there's a restaurant that serves JJIMDAK.
Kaya?
Siguro kasi hindi siya kilala.
Yeah, but why? Di ba sabi mo ito yung mga gusto ng mga Filipinos?
I think that's an opportunity for business.
For cream. Braised JJIMDAK.
No, I don't even know. I don't even cook. I cannot help with business. But yeah, kaya kung gusto nyo matry ito, hindi kayo maka-order sa restaurant, eto,
Yeah,
gawin nyo on your own. Very easy, very fast.
And di ba you can do it also?
I can do it. I just need to buy the Jjajang powder. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. And super hands-on, like you can see as wala naman siya mga arte, right?
Walang kaarte-arte. I love it. Yeah!
It's super masarap. Ta-da! So this was JJIMDAK, super madali but super masarap. It was made with deliciously with KRING version.
Yes!
I was so honored to have a wonderful sous chef today. Sana, can we try? And tell me if you nagustuhan mo yung niluto natin.
Okay. Feeling ko naman magustuhan ko siya kasi syempre si Aray nagluto, di ba?
And syempre si KRING kasi ang naghiwa.
Wow! Okay. Kanin.
So Pinoy. You need rice talaga, no?
Harap!
Do you like it?
I love it!
So I hope you can try this at home. And
Yes,
as you
I
saw,
will.
it's so easy, right?
Tsaka yung mga Pinoy, magugustuhan nyo to dahil hindi siya iba sa panglasa. I mean, it's
Yeah.
very familiar.
So sana you can try this at home and please share how you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, please also continually support our wonderful KRING KIM.
Just follow me in all of my social media accounts.
Ang dami, right?
KRING Kim everywhere.
So I hope you enjoy cooking with us. See you next time. Bye!